नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is acute and chronic myeloid leukemia. Acute myeloid leukemia. Acute myeloid leukemia is a heterogeneous disease characterized by infiltration of malignant myeloid cells into the blood, bone marrow, and other tissue. AML is mainly a disease of adults. Median age is 50 years, while children and other individuals may also develop it sometimes. A few important examples of chromosomal mutation is in AML are translocation of T8 to 21, Q22 to Q22, and T1517 to Q22 to Q12, and inversion of inversion 16 P13 to Q22. Classification. Currently, two main classification schemes for AML are followed. FAB classification. According to revised FAB classification system, a leukemia is acute if the bone marrow consists of more than 30% blasts. Based on morphology and cytochemistry, FAB classification divide AML into 8 subtypes M0 to M7. WHO classification. WHO classifies for AML differs from revised FAP classification in the following two ways. Firstly, it places limited reliance on the blast morphology and cytochemistry for making the diagnosis of subtype of AML, but instead takes into consideration clinical, cytogenetic, and molecular abnormalities in different types. Secondly, WHO classification of AML has revised and lowered the cut-off percentage of marroblast to 20% from 30% in the FEP classification for making the diagnosis of AML. Clinical features. Clinical manifestation of AML are divided into two groups. Due to bone marrow failure, the features are anemia, bleeding manifestation, infection, and fever. And second is due to organ infiltration. These features are as under pain and tenderness of the bones, lymphadenopathy, splenomegaly, hepatomegaly, leukemic infiltration of the kidney, gum hypertrophy, chloroma or granulocytic sarcoma, meningeal involvement, and other organ infiltration includes testicular swelling and mediastinal compression. Laboratory findings. Blood picture. The findings are as under. First is anemia. It is generally severe, progressive, and normochromic. Thrombocytopenia. The platelet count is usually moderately to the severely reduced below 50,000 per liter. White blood cells. The total WBC count range from the subnormal to markedly elevated value, typically characteristic of different form of AML. M0 to M7 are given below. FAB class and morphology. M0. Blast lack definite cytologic and cytochemical features but have myeloid lineage antigen. Myeloblast predominates few if any granules or rods. Myeloblasts with promyelocytes predominate all rods may be present. Hypergranular promyelocyte often with multiple rods per cells. Mature cell of both myeloid and monocytic series in peripheral blood, myeloid cell resembles M2. Two subtypes. M5A shows poorly differentiated monoblast, M5B shows differentiated pro-monocyte and monocytes. Erythroblast predominates, myeloblast and promyeloblast also increased. Polymorphic undifferentiated blast predominates, react with antiplatelet antibodies. Second is bone marrow examination. The examination are as follows. Cellularity. Typically the marrow is hypercellular but sometimes a blood tap or dry tap occurs. Leukemic cells. The bone marrow is generally tightly packed with leukemic blast cells as per WHO classification. These criteria have been revised and lowered to 20% blast in the marrow for labeling and treating a case of AML. Erythropoiesis cells are reduced. They megakaryocytes. They are usually reduced or absent. Cytogenetics. Two of the most consistent cytogenetic abnormality in a specific FAB groups are as under M3. cases having 50 T1517 to Q20 to Q12 and M4E0 to E4 abnormal eosinophilic in the bone marrow, and cases having inversion 16 P13 through PQ22. Cytochemistry. Some of the commonly employed cytochemical stain as an aid to classify the type of AML are as under. First is myeloperoxidase to Sudan black. Third is periodic acid scuff. Fourth is non-specific esterase, and fifth is acid phosphatase. Fourth is biochemical investigation. These are serum muramidase elevated and serum uric acid increased. General principle of treatment and prognosis. Treatment of anemia and hemorrhage. Anemia and hemorrhage are managed by fresh blood transfusion and platelet concentration. And second is treatment and prophylaxis of infection. Neutropenia due to bone marrow replacement by leukemic blast and as a result of intensive cytotoxic therapy rendered these patients highly susceptible to infection. Third is cytotoxic drug therapy. The aim of cytotoxic therapy are firstly to induce remission and secondly to continue therapy to reduce the hidden leukemic cell population by repeated course of therapy. Fourth is bone marrow transplantation. Bone marrow transplantation from suitable allogenic or autologous donor is increasingly being used for treating young adult male with AML in first remission. Now second is chronic myeloid leukemia. By WHO classification, CML is established by identification of the clone of hematopoietic stem cells that possesses the balanced reciprocal translocation between chromosome 9 and 22, forming Philadelphia chromosome. The T922 involves fusion of BCR breakpoint cluster region gene on the chromosome 22q11 with ABL named after Abelson Buryrin leukemia virus gene located on chromosome 9q34. The fusion product so formed is termed PH chromosome T BCR-ABL, which should be positive for making the diagnosis of CML. The identification may be done by the PCR or FISH. Clinical features. Chronic myeloid leukemia comprise about 20% of all leukemia and its peak incidence is seen in third and fourth decade of the life. A distinct variant of CML seen in children is called juvenile CML. Both sexes are affected equally. The onset of CML is generally insidious. Some of the commonly presenting manifestations are anemia, hypermetabolism, splenomegaly, and bleeding tendencies. Laboratory findings. First is blood picture. The findings are as under. First is anemia is usually moderate degree and is normocytic normochromic in type. White blood cells, characteristically there is marked leukocytosis more at the time of presentation. The natural history of CML consists of three phases: chronic, accelerated, and blastic. Chronic phase of CML begins as a myeloproliferative disorder and consists of excessive proliferation of myeloid cells of intermediate grade and mature segmented neutrophils. Myeloblasts usually do not exceed 10% of cell in the peripheral blood and bone marrow. An accelerated phase of CML is also described in which there is progressive rising leukocytosis associated with thrombocytosis or thrombocytopenia and splenomegaly. Blastic phase or blast crisis in CML fulfills the definition of acute leukemia in having blood or marrow blast lesser than 20%. The blast cell may be myeloid, lymphoid, erythroid, or undifferentiated and are established by morphology, cytochemistry, or immunophenotyping. Myeloid blast crisis in CML is more common and resembles AML. Third is platelet. Platelet count may be normal but is raised in about half of the cases. Second is bone marrow examination. Cellularity. Generally, there is hypercellularity with total or partial replacement of fat space by proliferating myeloid cells. And second is myeloid cells. The myeloid cells predominate in the bone marrow with increased myeloid erythroid ratio. Erythropoiesis. Erythropoiesis is normoblastic, but there is a reduction in thrombopoietic cells. Megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes are conspicuous, and cytogenetic studies on the blood and bone marrow cells shows the characteristic chromosomal abnormality called Philadelphia chromosome seen in 90 to 95% cases of CML. Cytochemistry. The only significant finding on cytochemical stain is reduced score of neutrophil alkaline phosphatase, which helps to distinguish CML from myeloid leukemia reaction, in which cases NAP score are elevated. Fourth is other investigation. Elevated serum B12 and vitamin B12 binding capacity, elevated serum uric acid, general principle of treatment and prognosis. Insight into molecular mechanism of CML has brought about major changes in its therapy. Imatinib oral therapy. Imatinib induced apoptosis is in BCR ABL positive cell and thus eliminates them. Allogenic bone marrow transplantation, interferon A, and chemotherapy. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.